The Nyotrab Youth Council HYC Nongtliu Circle, led by President Job Karnayor and Education Secretary Drambor Maulong, presented a memorandum to Education Department Minister Rakam A. Sangma today. Their objective was to press the state government to address the just and reasonable requests of the students in the area. According to the memorandum, in 2019, the state government had proposed to elevate the existing Umthlong Nongtliu Government Secondary School to the higher secondary level. However, to date, there has been no progress in this regard. The HYC members also highlighted that despite having 18 villages in the Nongtliu area, there is a conspicuous absence of a government higher secondary school to serve the educational needs of students in these specific regions. The HYC Nongtliu Circle therefore urged upon the Education Minister of Meghalaya to give serious consideration to the demands of the concerned residents, particularly those from lower income groups who rely on farming for their livelihoods, in order to ensure better educational opportunities for their children.
Kabakam sujung mut ingi kalong ba nakaliang kajungi bidang buru ga appointment bat ulo kalau meli jong kamarang konstituensi henry hadu menta 4 ai ka kanu respon ini wala persang ban phai ulang ba WhatsApp ha ka bide begini kejindom kam kejungi te ngangit kam bah kini kesni nakaliang kejung uru un ai ya kejuhi kajing kendo ban ngin ya discuss ha bide begini ke kam nomor balai ngong menta kini ke isu kalau long penting isu nadu bag government kalau notify hus nam arjar kar khandai hadu mentang mi unu saya kenal na kaliang jongga government hagi di pat ban upgrade ya kata sekolah hang tai ke jika bar keju kepor na kaliang kejungi kentu ni ulo kalau mi bas ngom ha simcia kini ke isu namar baling ngom ta badi simcia mar katai ke jika jungi ke jika kabla idon kama lasangnya ke sekolah kasnem sijar khandai spa san punreu bar kani ke sekolah menta kala cross ya san pus nem tam dia kejing mi jong kena boleh nak kata jika kalau ada hijar mut kena penmi iwan skor syani asal sulong kani kalau nang pen idu musim ni nomor beli ongom tak idu musim nomor beli kena kejongi bum don kayu akot teng iwan skor syani labun ski drop out student kani kejing jo iangi kumusti kena wi ba ka penduk musim hai kena boleh kamtam nak kentong te khamtam ru kaji khamnya jong solong ni iya ka wei ni ajimot sarkar ni ong ba lada ka sarkar ka penyar ka puli puthi sa thai nong gendong kanang pen keluit ru yak solong nomor belai ban krit ban pelaluit hi ban pen keluit hi solong kalong ba ban ra ig department bu pier na solong khamtam ig education department umdei ban pen khamnya thani solong de ban airu kita kaji puli bobit babiang ha thai nong gendong